Part of investing and being a good investor is making sure you have follow-on capital, right? And so there's sort of a rational cult-like behavior that you get into Silicon Valley where you're like, I need to make sure if I take this risky defense tech investment, somebody else will dump money after me, or at least sort of have conviction that there will be more money until it finally gets to where it needs to be. And so these events, they all need to psychologically brainwash themselves. It's sort of a group sharing that we're all going to lock in. We're going to do defense tech.
We're going to be hawkish on China. We fully divested from China. America is coming back.
It needs the cult-like behavior, which in some ways is a positive sign for the category because they're saying we're all going to dump money into defense tech. Circumstances be damned.